repairing your credit like a pro. So let's get back to it, right? You guys want to know exactly how to repair your credit? I got you. So first of all, when you're repairing your credit, is that you want to make sure you delete all negative items. I know there's people saying, oh, yeah, you can keep some negative item because you can have the history of the negative item, but nah. You want to delete all negative item because if you delete all negative item, guess what? Your score is blank. If it's blank, you can add on to it. If you don't have nothing on your credit profile, it's better to build it up than to have negative stuff there, because when bureaus see you, they're gonna look at you, they're gonna be like, oh, this person have this negative stuff, this person have this negative stuff, this person have this, that. And now guess what? They're gonna deny you. And that's not what you want, right? So what you wanna do is make sure you can have a late payment, you can have a 1 or 2, but if it's a lot, try to get rid of them right away. Like, try to get rid of them, because if you get rid of them, the bureaus are going to improve. They're going to actually approve you for credit faster than somebody who don't have them. So delete all of your negative items if you can. Now, the second thing you want to do, you want to make sure you improve your payment history. So what I mean by this is that when you're looking for credit, the bureaus are going to look at your payment history. They're going to say, okay, how long has this person been paying on time? Has it been 1 year? Has it been 2 years? The bureaus love it when it's 9 years. But the way how you can improve your payment history, you can add somebody can add you on their credit profile as an authorized user. And guess what? All their history reports on your credit. Or you can buy trade lines. You can go on Google. There's a whole bunch of trade line companies on Google. You can get some trade lines and add on your credit profile. By adding that, it's going to improve your payment history because you're buying somebody else's profile. So that's going to improve your payment history dramatically. Now, the third thing you want to do, you want to make sure you lower your utilization score. Your utilization cannot be above 10%. Like, literally, you want to lower it as much as possible, because if your utilization is high, they can't trust you, because they say, okay, I already lent you this money and you spent it all. I'm not going to approve you for more. You're probably going to spend the rest. And then they're like, oh, this person's not going to pay back the money, and so they're not going to trust you that much. So you need to lower your utilization. And if you even have an old account on your credit profile and it's positive, keep those accounts. Don't delete those accounts. People say, oh, delete those accounts, but you don't want to do that. Keep them, okay? Now, the fourth thing you want to do, you want to make sure you focus on creating strategies that are improving your credit. If you can hire a credit repair company, or you can learn how to do it by watching other YouTube videos by yourself, great. But you want to have a strategy behind it. Don't just go to the bureaus and want to improve your credit and call them up and stuff like that, because you don't know what to say, you don't know how to do it, so you want to make sure you have a strategy behind it. If you want a strategy behind it, one of my friends, he has one of the best credit repair company. His link is going to be down below. You can register for his credit repair program, and he'll show you exactly what you can do so you can repair your credit. So if you're new to my channel, every single day I post videos just like this to help you become successful and take you to where you want to go. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video.